With Trinity Homes. I'm filling in for Jeff today. Jeff showed this house to us last week. This is a beautiful Lauderdale. It's in Dublin at Wyandotte Woods. We're at 7606 Kelly Drive. We're outside so you can see our nice 3-car garage on this house. And we're gonna head on inside, take a look around. But the Lauderdale is one of our most popular multi-levels. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So let's go on in. We come on inside and we see the dining room off to the left here. And back and behind us to the right, we have the den. And we go straight through the house, and it was where we get to, when you have tweens and you have teens, and in this time we don't want to all be in the same place in the house. Everybody wants to get away and find their own spots. Well, this is what we have. We have a lower level that goes down to a nice bonus room. We set up with a theater. We'll go down there in a minute. We come over here, we have the kitchen and the family room. Beautiful big family room. Nice upgraded fireplace. Big island. Lots of good eating space. Looking outside to the park. In Wyandotte Woods here, we're up near, just off Sawmill Road, far enough off you're not seeing any of the traffic, but you're close to all the good stuff that the Sawmill has, all the nice restaurants and shopping. We also have a nice big pantry. So now we'll go down to the bonus room. Great spot for kids, teenagers. Just hang out down here. Kind of keep the noise away from the rest of the house. Nice big windows, and we have a bar, cabinets, and lots of space for storage. This is, of course, an upgrade. We put a very nice upgrade to this room. We go down to the basement. This basement is a 3/4 basement, but still a great size. We'll head on up to the next level up, which would be master bedroom. Notice our wide stairways, and as we get up here, you'll see that we have great closets, big closets for all the rooms. My storage. This is the master. This home has upgraded flooring, nice countertops, beautiful corner tub, very big. So that was our master. Did we get the closet? Very nice. So now we have 4 bedrooms up on the next level. We'll head up that way. And this bedroom has 2 walk-in closets. The next bedroom has a nice Jack and Jill bathroom. Well, we'll go by this first here. Here's our upstairs hallway bathroom. And then we come into the second upstairs bedroom with its walk-in and a Jack and Jill bathroom. The price of this house has been reduced. It's $609,000. It's a spec home, ready for pretty much immediate move-in. And we walk into now the 3rd bedroom on this top floor. And then last but not least, we have a bonus room / 4th bedroom. Well, let's stop here. We do have a 2nd floor laundry or top floor laundry. And then the bonus room. Once again, my name is John Brannon. I'm a Trinity sales consultant. My subdivision is Wyandotte Woods. We're located in the city of Dublin, Hilliard Schools, Hilliard-Davidson School District. We have a brand new subdivision near Avery Road and Hayden Run Bridge. I have a Pompano model. I'll be there all weekend. Come out and see us. We have 5 models to choose from. We also have some condominiums that we sell out at Wyandotte Woods as well. So please come out and see us this weekend.